How to make a platform bed frame stronger. So here's my platform bed frame I got from Target online. It's about 9 years old. And all it is pieces of pine wood laid horizontally and 4 screws. And this thin canvas-like material that's stapled on. So it's made in Vietnam by the Fashion Bed Corporation, manufactured in 2015. And it's held up pretty good. I can't complain. For 9 years, I didn't think it would last this long. But the one thing that started to happen is right in the middle, there's 3 legs. There should be 3 legs. The middle leg broke and fell off, and I tried to re-screw it in, but it wouldn't stay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add hardwood in these parts that are empty. And all you need is a screwdriver. There's 4 screws around the perimeter. You unscrew them. And you need an Allen wrench set. I recommend getting one of these. These are great to have because a lot of this type of furniture have these hex bolts or Allen bolt. So you find the right wrench that matches the size of the bolt. There's about 8 different sizes in this wrench set. These are pretty strong bolts. And here's the leg that fell off. It's all made out of pine. But it's a medium pine. It's not soft or too hard. So all you do is you fold it all back up like an accordion. It was really dusty, so I dusted this. I would recommend wetting your towel when you wipe down. So then I measured the frame. I measured the width. Then I measured the actual pieces of wood. They were 61 inches long. So then I went to Home Depot and I wanted to look in the hardwood section. Here's oak. Oak's the hardest wood, but it's very expensive. It's $2.98 per foot. So then next to it is poplar wood. And that's a lot cheaper, about $1 less, $1.87 a foot. And this is a hardwood, but oak is much better. It's much harder. So if you want to do this and you have the money, I would buy all oak wood. So Home Depot, you just walk up to any of the men there and then they'll take you to their big machine and they'll cut the wood for you for free. So then go inside your frame, put your wood down and go from underneath. Lift it up over each side lip that's sticking out that holds the wood down. And that's it. And you just screw the 4 screws back in. So here's the feel of the wood. The first one was poplar, the second one was pine, and here's oak. There's not a lot of give with the oak. And this is how it looks. But if you have the money, get all oak. And underneath it's nice and clean. There's no legs sticking out, so you can get under there and clean it really well. And I didn't stain these pieces of wood. You don't need to. You put your mattress right back on it. I have a memory foam that I add on top of this with a cover. So it held me. I'm about 120 pounds. And here's the finished bed. Thanks for watching.